If you love traveling or are thinking about it but you want bonus cash reward while doing that, then this video is for you. When you're planning your trip, credit cards probably aren't in the front of your mind. However, getting this travel credit card now could save you hundreds if not thousands on your next vacation, even if you're not planning to leave for a while. This cards offer coverage in a number of areas, including 1. Trip cancellation and trip delays. 2. Lost or delayed luggage. 3. Emergency medical services while traveling. They allows you to pay for your biggest travel expenses including airfare and hotel stays with its travel rewards instead of your cash. You could also find travel cards that let you access airport lounges, offer complimentary travel insurance, or get you free upgrades on travel bookings. And with almost all of these cards, you won't need to pay a foreign transaction fee on purchases made while traveling abroad. It's possible to get lots of value from the best travel credit cards. The key is picking a travel card that fits your budget, lifestyle, and travel habits. Saving big on your next vacation is even easier if you're able to earn one of the sign-up bonuses on application for the cards. These bonuses are often big enough for a free round-trip flight, sometimes even 2. However, you'll need to plan in advance. Most of these sign-up bonuses take 3 months to earn, and there can also be some delay between when you earn the sign-up bonus and when the points or miles actually show up in your account. Listed are some of the best travel credit cards and their features. 8. Delta SkyMiles Gold American Express Card. Features include 1. Enjoy zero introductory annual fee for the first year, then $99. 2. Enjoy your first checked bag free on Delta flights. 3. Earn 2x miles on Delta purchases, at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery and at U.S. supermarkets. 4. $100 Delta flight credit. After you spend $10,000 in purchases on your card in a calendar year, receive a credit to use toward future travel. 7. Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card features include 1. Earn 3 free nights, each night valued up to 50,000 points. After qualifying purchases plus 10x total points on eligible purchases in select categories. 2. Get 1 free night award, valued up to 35,000 points, every year after account anniversary. 3. Earn up to 17x total Bonvoy points per $1 spent at over 7,000 hotels participating in Marriott Bonvoy. 4. 2x Bonvoy points for every $1 spent on all other purchases. 5. Automatic Silver Elite status each account anniversary year. Path to Gold status when you spend $35,000 on purchases each account year. 6. 15 Elite Night credits each calendar year. 7. No foreign transaction fees. 6. Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. Feature include 1. Receive 50,000 online bonus points, a $500 value, after you make at least $3,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. 2. Earn unlimited 2 points for every $1 you spend on travel and dining purchases. Plus, earn 2 points for every $1 spent on grocery store purchases, now through December 31, 21. 3. Earn 1.5 points for every $1 you spend on all other purchases. No limit to the points you can earn and your points don't expire. 4. If you're a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you can earn 25% minus 75% more points on every purchase. 5. Redeem for cashback as a statement credit. Deposit into eligible Bank of America accounts, credit to eligible Merrill accounts, or gift cards or purchases at the Bank of America Travel Center. 6. Get up to $100 in airline incidental statement credits annually and TSA Global Entry statement credits of up to $100, every 4 years. 7. No foreign transaction fees. 8. Low $95 annual fee. 5. Capital One Venture Rewards credit card features include 1. Earn 100,000 bonus miles when you spend $20,000 on purchases in the first 12 months from account opening, or still earn 50,000 miles if you spend $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. 2. Earn unlimited 2x miles on every purchase, every day. 3. Miles won't expire for the life of the account and there's no limit to how many you can earn. 4. Receive up to $100 application fee credit for global entry or TSA pre. 5. Redeem on travel, including flights, vacation rentals, car rentals and more. Plus transfer your miles to over 15 plus travel loyalty programs. 6. No foreign transaction fees. 4. Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card features include 1. Earn unlimited 1.5 points per $1 spent on all purchases, with no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, and your points don't expire. 2. 25,000 online bonus points after you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. That can be a $250 statement credit toward travel purchases. 3. Use your card to book your trip how and where you want. You're not limited to specific websites with blackout dates or restrictions. 4. Redeem points for a statement credit to pay for travel or dining purchases, such as flights, hotel stays, car and vacation rentals, baggage fees, and also at restaurants including takeout. 5. 0% introductory APR for 12 billing cycles for purchases. After the intro APR ends, 13.99% to 23.99% variable APR will apply. 6. If you're a preferred rewards member, you can earn 25% to 75% more points on every purchase. 3. Citi Premier Card features include 1. Earn 80,000 bonus thank you points after you spend $4,000 in purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. 2. Earn 3 points per $1 spent at restaurants and supermarkets. 3. Earn 3 points per $1 spent at gas stations, air travel and hotels. 4. Earn 1 point per $1 spent on all other purchases. 5. Annual hotel savings benefit. 6. 80,000 points are redeemable for $800 in gift cards when redeemed at thankyou.com. 7. No expiration and no limit to the amount of points you can earn with this card. 8. No foreign transaction fees on purchases. 2. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card features include 1. Earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's $1,250 when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. 2. Earn 2x points on dining including eligible delivery services, takeout and dining out and travel. Plus, earn 1 point per $1 spent on all other purchases. 3. Get 25% more value when you redeem for airfare, hotels, car rentals and cruises through Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, 100,000 points are worth $1,250 toward travel. 4. With Pay Yourself Back, your points are worth 25% more during the current offer when you redeem them for statement credits against existing purchases in select, rotating categories. 5. Get unlimited deliveries with a $0 delivery fee and reduced service fees on eligible orders over $12 for a minimum of 1 year with DashPass, DoorDash's subscription service. Activate by December 31, 21. 6. Count on trip cancellation, interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, lost luggage insurance and more. 7. Get up to $60 back on an eligible Peloton Digital or All Access membership through December 31, 2021, and get full access to their workout library through the Peloton app, including cardio, running, strength, yoga, and more. Take classes using a phone, tablet, or TV. No fitness equipment is required. 1. The Platinum Card from American Express, you're invited. You cannot apply for this one. Features include 1. Earn 100,000 membership rewards points after you spend $6,000 on purchases on the card in your first 6 months of card membership. 2. Plus, earn 10x points on eligible purchases on the card at restaurants worldwide and when you shop small in the U.S., on up to $25,000 in combined purchases, during your first 6 months of card membership. 3. Earn 5x membership rewards points for flights booked directly with airlines or with American Express travel up to $500,000 on these purchases per calendar year. 4. Earn 5x membership rewards points on prepaid hotels booked with American Express travel. 5. $200 hotel credit. Get $200 back in statement credits each year on prepaid fine hotels plus resorts or the hotel collection bookings with American Express travel when you pay with your Platinum Card. 6. $240 digital entertainment credit. Get up to $20 in statement credits each month when you pay for eligible purchases with the Platinum Card at your choice of one or more of the following providers: Peacock, Audible, SiriusXM, and The New York Times. Enrollment required. 7. New. American Express has expanded the Centurion network to include 40-plus Centurion lounge and studio locations worldwide. Now there are even more places your Platinum Card can get you complimentary entry and exclusive perks. 8. $200 airline fee credit. Get up to $200 in statement credits per calendar year in baggage fees and more at one qualifying airline. 9. $200 Uber Cash. Enjoy Uber VIP status and up to $200 in Uber savings on rides or eats orders in the U.S. annually. Uber Cash and Uber VIP status available to basic card member only. 10. $300 Equinox credit. Get up to $25 back each month on select Equinox memberships. Enrollment required. 11. $179 Clear credit. Use your card and get up to $179 back per year on your Clear membership. 12. $695 annual fee.